Hello friends, in this lesson we are going to learn the compound verb vellu. The next compound verb is vellu or povu. Both have same meaning, to go. Here is an example. సీత కూరగాయలు తీసుకెళ్ళింది. Sita bought vegetables and went. In the above sentence, the usage of compound verb indicates two actions, buying and taking them to home. Sita కూరగాయలు తీసుకుంది. Sita picked vegetables. In the above sentence, the verb just indicates the action of buying vegetables. Here are some other verbs along with the use of vellu and povu. Tinu, eat. Tini vellu or tinellu, eat and go. Chudu, see. Chusi vellu or chusellu, see and go. పట్టుకును, క్యాచ్. పట్టుకు వెళ్ళు or పట్టుకెళ్ళు, catch and go or take away. దోచుకొను, steal. దోచుకు వెళ్ళు or దోచుకెళ్ళు, steal and go. వచ్చు, come. వచ్చిపోవు, come and go. వెళ్ళు, go. వెళ్ళిపోవు, go away. In the last compound verb, వెళ్ళిపోవు, both verbs వెళ్ళు and పోవు have the similar meaning, which is go individually. But the verb gives the meaning of go away as a combined meaning for the compound verb.